You know what reminds me? Oh, that's one of those guys. On the left-hand side of the train. Oh, it's just two of us. So beautiful. Oh, no one around. I'm very good at this. What are you doing? So scary. To the station to take the train. Alishan, we are coming. Yes, perfect. Thank you for giving me. Okay, I need to thank Andy for giving me this window seat in this video. Thank you, Andy, for giving me the window seat. Voluntarily. Are you? Sure. Yes. I was given a choice. Going to Alishan. Wow. Checking at the hotel. Hotel Indigo. 1,280.
I wrote a message in my notes that I'm never gonna send to you, saying I'm sorry. I guess you never really know what somebody's gonna do when they get lonely.
We are in Alishan. Lost in Alishan. It's very nice, the weather. It's a little bit chill. But we don't know what. I think this is this way. You see? We're running to take the train because we're slightly late. Can you hold this in? We can pay by card,我们就pay by card。你好，有2张票去早平，神木。对，但是如果我买全票，我可以从早平坐回来吗？全票是成人的1组，回程都在那边买。全票是成人单程。哦，好的，行，就是一次买，对吧？好，刷卡可以吗？可以。你说的 ticket 的这个，对，我们帮。谢谢。Show your tickets. Show the ticket to my camera. It's no hours. Okay. The train. Oh, yeah, so. Do it again. Do it again. Do it again. Andy want to take this video for you guys. What are you gonna show?
It's big.
Show them how big. And this is a cat. It's an Alishan cat. Oh, it's actually very nice to you. Energy recharging. I have my sausage wrapping sausage. And what do you have? Pork jerky. Is it yummy? It's delicious. Can I try? Can I try? Sorry. I'm closing the tea. The oolong tea. Alishan cold brew. So delicious. It's normal tea. Why did you do that? I'm sleeping. Oh my god. It's wow. Go, run. What do you want to say?
Wondering why I always carry a backpack. Because my boyfriend is a bad boyfriend, never carries it himself. He's too fashion for it.
I have my bag. I'm joking. It's just too beautiful. Who's too beautiful? You. I'm too beautiful to carry a backpack? Baby, it's you. What's that? We'll come back in 1 hour. I think it's beautiful enough. We have different colors already. Okay. Andy took me to walk for 30 minutes, trying to find a good spot on the sunset. I'm just going up and down of this mountain, and this is where he found. And it's blocked by the tree. Which, this one at the back? Yes, that's not the sunset. Oh, it's on my face. Failed. I'm the best boyfriend ever. He's the sunset guy. I'm just trying to find the best point for him. It's just, Nico. What do you think about sunset? Tired? That's my opinion. Boring? No. True being said, it was special. We spent it easy, but itself was boring. Because we cannot even just walk by the clouds. Another day, 7-Eleven.
That was not smart.
For myself. I didn't know it's coming off on me. Yummy? Very yummy. Hello! We just finished a day in Alishan, and now we're in the hotel. I'm giving myself a little bit of retreat. As you can see, I'm doing my face mask while soaking in a bath. So nice. Well, tomorrow we'll stay in this hotel, just have another day in Alishan. And what are you doing?
So scary!
No scary. And tomorrow we'll go to Fengqihu to have lunch and just have very chill day. Ah, people can see my nipple.
No!
No! What are you doing, Andy? Drop it. Anyway, see you guys tomorrow. You have to say good night and you say good night first. Good night first. So silly. Bye. It's 5:50 and why we're up? Why we're up?
Because I love my boyfriend too much.
Bam! We're up to see the sunrise. Let's go. That's sunrise. Room tour. Dun, dun. Okay. This is what do you call this area, Andy? Dressing room.
Yeah, storage, luggage room.
At the entrance, and there's a mirror. That looks so cute. Can I show your face here? Come.
Hello.
And
Okay.
we have 2 double beds.
Let's convert this into one.
Don't say that in my video. Okay, this is our living area, and show them the views of the balcony. And there's the balcony, you can go out. It's a couch. You can just lie down here and watch this amazing mountain view. Ooh. Alright. Let's show them the toilet. This very fancy Japanese toilet. You have all those buttons to wash your ass, and you have the air dry. This is a toilet, and we have a bathtub, and it has the same view as the balcony. And that's it. Woo! We're gonna stay here for 2 nights in Alishan. We're queuing up.
Delicious. Queuing up for donuts. Our turn. Let's go and eat them. So, let's try. So good. It's kind of crunchy on the outside, dough in the inside. A bit chewy. With a tiny bit of stickiness because of the melted sugar in the outside. Oh, so good. Now, honey to
Beer?
melon beer, which is lemon likes it, so I don't like it because
It's
not
very
beer.
sweet.
It's very aromatic. And then we have this lunchbox. I'm gonna open it.
Be careful of the soup. Wow. Big chicken. Bon appetit. We are hiking to see the sunset. It's so beautiful. The tree. Oh, that scared me. Look at the view. Wow. So many clouds. We are going up to see the sunset. We're on the top.
It's raining.
And it's raining now. We're going to head back soon. Otherwise it'll be slippery. So no sunset tonight. That's our hotel. Oh, it's just two of us.
So beautiful.
Oh, no one around. And it's raining. Yeah. Can you be romantic?
That's what you're doing.
It's very beautiful.
It's like revealing spiritual.
Beautiful sunset. And even more beautiful person.